In this video, I'll be showing you how to host your website for free using Vercel. Now, this is the beautiful website that we want to deploy or host on Vercel. The first thing you're going to do is to create a GitHub repository. So first and foremost, I open a new tab here. Then I go to my GitHub. So I log into my GitHub. Make sure you have a GitHub account first. That's the first thing you need to do. So once you have a GitHub account set for you, you sign in and log in. Now, this is my GitHub account. I want to create a repository where I can push my website to. So let's create a repository. So you come to this place, you click on new. Okay, so I put my repository name. I'm going to call this text site. Name of the, call it anything you want to call it, text site. So I'll click on create repository. So wait for it to create the repository. Internet is fast and it's quite slow. Okay, good. So it has created the repository called text site. So now I will want to push my code, my HTML, CSS, JavaScript code to this repository that I've just created. So without wasting much time, I'll just come here and copy this. Copy this code that was generated. I have to push my work. Or if you don't understand Git and GitHub, I have a course on Git and GitHub. Check my page to see the course for Git and GitHub. So I'll go to my GitHub repository. Then on my terminal, this is the code base for that website that I've showed to you. So here on my terminal, I have to do this. I have to initialize Git init. So after initializing the Git init, the next thing I will need to do is to commit and make some changes here. So I will say git commit. Then I can call this text site or anything you want to call it. Text site changes. This is how you commit in Git. So I've not made any change. So that's why it's telling me red. So I have to make a change. I'll say git add full stop. Before I commit, I have to make a change. Git add then full stop. So I've added that already. So here I put my commit now. And so you can see it has committed those changes. Now, without wasting much time, I'm going to copy and paste this so that my code will be pushed to my GitHub repository. So I'm going to come to this place. Let me clear the terminal so that you can see it clearly. So I'm going to come here and paste this. Paste. And I press enter, git push minus u origin main. Like I said earlier, I have a course on Git and GitHub. If you want to learn Git and GitHub, you can just go to my page and watch the video. So this is it. I've successfully pushed my code base to my GitHub repository. So let's go verify that that was pushed successfully. Then I go to my GitHub repository, which is text site. I have to refresh this browser for you to see the code that was pushed to my repo called text site. So I refresh the browser. Beautiful, beautiful. So now we have successfully pushed our code base to where? To our GitHub repository called the text site. And see 1 minute ago. Now I need a platform for me to be able to host my website for free. And that platform is called Vercel. I'm using Vercel to deploy my website. So I'll come here and open the Vercel. Make sure you have an account with Vercel actually. I have an account with Vercel, so it's vercel.com. So this is my account on Vercel. So this is Vercel. This is my account NS. This is my Vercel. These are some of the projects I've hosted. So yeah, you'll see where you have add new. So you click on the add new. It will tell you projects domain. Just choose projects. I want to add a new project. Now immediately you click on add new projects, you will see all your repositories here. Remember that 1 minute ago we created a repository called what? The text sites. That was the repository we created a minute ago. You can see it here. So now that I'm seeing it here, what's the next thing? The next thing is for me to import this my text site from my GitHub. This text site that is in my GitHub here, I will need to import it to where? The Vercel. So I'll click on imports. Good. So now that I've clicked on imports, the next thing, you just keep it simple. You just click on deploy. So it's deploying. Just exercise patience. It's going to finish deploying your project. Fantastic. Congratulations. So you can see that congratulations that you just deployed a new project to NS project. That's the name of my repo. So here you come here for you to see what you've deployed live. You come here, you click on continue to dashboard. It's going to generate a link for you. That link is what you send to your friends or put in the URL as a URL in your browser. So this is the link. This is the domain link here created for me, which is text site 9-9-Vercel. So you can copy this link. Let me just copy the link. Let me just copy it and paste it in my browser URL. So text site -9.vercel.app. Press enter. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have successfully deployed our website on Vercel. You can see this was the website we deployed on Vercel. So right now my website is live now on Vercel. Deployed and hosted our website using Vercel for free, of course. So you can see that this is how you deploy your website for free. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and share our videos. Subscribe also so that you can get more of this.